All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us this kitchen sink soap dispenser. So this is the little package that it comes in. Got the sticker there and the contents. Let's open it up and see what's in here. That's it for in the bag. First thing we have is the tube that would carry the soap from the dispenser to the pump, etc. We do have a nice installation guide, basically showing you how you would put this up top, connect your hose, and then it just goes down into the soap so that you have a lot more soap than just a small hand soap. Pretty straightforward. Even some tips on the installation. And then inside here, the actual products. Got two of the rings here. Just slide that over, of course. Put this through the hole, and then this would, of course, just screw right on to tighten as your sink. And then, of course, you just press down to get your soap. And inside of this, there's a couple of little stoppers and stuff. You can use these to hold the cable. Very, very nice. So that is everything that comes inside of this kitchen sink soap dispenser. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.